Imagine, what would it be like if you viewed your life as a story? Throughout history, storytellers have crafted meaningful narratives that help us make sense of our existence. And all of us have stories, ones we tell through our everyday lives. So how do we create spaces for these stories to be told and lived meaningfully?
On board with our storytelling sessions, because he is doing workshops that train people up in what is their story. Everyone has a story, and it's been this seamless collaboration with him. So we're very, very grateful to have him.
Hi, my name is Derrick Hatch, and my company, All Things Narrative, empowers people through storytelling. We do this through our coaching program, workshops for adults, classes for youth, and our podcast. Our Live a Meaningful Story coaching program helps people tell their stories in ways that can strengthen them while also inspiring others. In our time together, participants learn how to reflect meaningfully on their experiences, connect better with the people in their lives, and live more intentionally. This 6-week program is available for both groups and individuals, in person or online, and is perfect for weekly group gatherings, building relationships with your staff, and retreats.
So the Live a Meaningful Story program has been really important to me because I've always been a person who wanted to be understood. And trying to find the words, trying to find the parts of myself that I can express easily is a journey. And the part of this journey that the classes help me with is making sure I know who I am and I know how to express those things.
Our workshops teach storytelling skills and are great for community groups, staff development days, and adult education. When you book our workshops, people will participate in lively discussions as they learn the art of storytelling and how to connect those principles to their everyday lives.
The workshop helped me kind of to make sense of my story, make sense of the past, and then also have hope for the future so that you can embrace the present and embrace where you are right now.
For youth, we offer storytelling classes that also incorporate literacy, social emotional learning, and the arts. In a culture that's oversaturated by technology, we help students unplug and in a safe space, learn how to better communicate with one another.
So when Derrick came to our after-school program, he did an exercise with our students centered around how to be a better listener, not just to be someone who was in a conversation shouting at each other and not understanding where each other was coming from, but to be able to understand what the person was actually saying. Then diving deeper into, okay, how that makes you feel and so forth. So I think that that's great and it's super timely. So Derrick and All Things Narrative really helped our Reframe students learn how to be better active listeners.
We also have the All Things Narrative podcast that explores the relationships between the stories we love and the stories we live. We discuss how stories, whether in novels, films, or in real-life history, influence us on our journeys.
The podcasts for me were amazing. The intricacy, the detail, all the moving parts was astounding to me. The life story also in that was how the stories actually at times can mirror life or resonate different segments of your life, and you can see how these stories bring to light who we are as individuals.
My goal is for All Things Narrative to be a one-stop shop for anyone interested in story, whether it's the narratives that inspire us, our own self-narratives, company narratives, or the narrative therapy practices that shape what we do.
I'm just so excited with all that I've learned with Derrick. I mean, between his energy, his enthusiasm, his wealth of knowledge, he's just taken me to a place where I can use my past experiences to help me move forward.
At All Things Narrative, we believe everyone has a story to tell and that no one should feel lost in their own story. So in working with us, what possibilities might emerge for you and your group? Ready to find out? Well then let All Things Narrative be your guide towards telling and living a meaningful story.